Hey, this is Victorine. I just want to talk about part 2 of a video that I did earlier, and this is the topic is you can succeed again, key things you can do. This is the bonus part of the video that I said I was going to do. If you're watching this for the first time, please make sure you go and watch part 1, which is giving you the 3 keys to implement so you can see the results that you desire. So as I said, if you are watching this video, you must be somebody online who is looking or has been frustrated, and you have been looking, or maybe you have been burnt and you want to find out a way to do your online marketing successfully. In this episode, I'm just going to give you some keys that you can use to implement in your business to get results. As a recap from the video this afternoon, I said one of the things that you have to do is work on your skills. You have to work on the skill sets that you need to use online. If you are going to be prospecting, if you are going to be closing, pick a skill, master it, and implement it. You know that you master a skill if you can teach that skill to other people and they understand. And most of all, when you start growing your own business, you have to teach people who come in. The next thing that I said was suspend your disbelief. Suspend the disbelief that your opportunity does not work or you will not make money. So make sure you implement and you believe in whatever opportunity you find yourself in. The next thing that I said was find a mentor. If you want to get good at something, find somebody who is already good at it and is making results. So find a mentor. If you have the financial capacity, pay a mentor. If you don't have the financial capacity, there are so many mentors online that you can follow their footsteps, what they are doing, and copy what they are, not like copy what they are doing, see what they are doing and try to implement that in your business. And then the other thing that I said that I was going to share in the second episode is invest in yourself. A lot of you, when you come online, you don't want to invest in yourself. You come online with the mentality that you are coming to make like quick money. So when you sign up for your opportunity, the next thing you want is to see how you can make thousands and millions of dollars. It doesn't work like that. You have to buy the tools that you have to use to run your business. You have to get somebody, get the training, and sometimes you can get people who will be willing to train you. Like right now, I'm doing a training. If you join me, you can also be part of that training to help you to take your business to the next level. Don't have that mindset that as soon as you join an opportunity, you are just going to start making money and you are going to be a big shot. If you do that, it's just like you are building castles in the air. If you don't have a good foundation, that castle is going to fall. So investing in yourself is like building the foundation on which your business is going to stand. And in this online business, it's a portable opportunity that you can do anywhere. So if you know what you're doing, which is investing in yourself, wherever you are, you can do your business. So those are the things that I have to share with you. I really you can click the link below and get more information. If you want to work with me, you can look for me on Facebook, and also you can inbox me. You can click on the link below to find out more information. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'm here to help you take your business to the next level, and I look forward to working with you more. Take care for now. Bye.